trying to stay right here to where I cannot be pushed into the water. Oh my God, small!
Yeah. Yeah, the faster you go, the faster you go. Oh my God, it's so cold.
Hey Ethan, is it cold?
Might be a little cold.
Alright, it's cold, Ethan.
Want a nice coffee?
There you go. You got it. No, go ahead, Ethan. I'll take it. Use leverage. Ethan, they're telling you to do it. Do it. There you go. There you go. Wow, that was fast. That was like 2 minutes, Ethan. I think you set a record. Lean back. Lean backwards, Ethan.
Lean back.
Ethan, lean backwards. There you go.
Oh.
Alright, Ethan. I think you should be in the Coast Guard or something. His stuff's over here. Can I give him the stuff?
Okay, where's your right?
Oh, that looks hard.
I was demonstrating. Yeah, you were demonstrating.
Does anyone want to go next? I guess I'll go next. Yeah, I'll go.
An informal.
No reason to procrastinate.
Actually, no, I didn't.
So the back end.
Got it! Keep going! Power through! Yeah! Nearly there!
Oh, you got it. Go, 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 go!
Go! Crawl! Crawl! Yeah!
Did you want to go? Okay, I'll go after you. Get it done.
Go for it. Yep. Alright. Come on. Come on, champion. Don't drown in the
I didn't see him get the water out of the boat.
Come on, Quinn.
This one self-drains.
Swing on the other side.
I guess I should do it.
Go, 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 up, 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 up. Are you set? Yeah.
How do you think she likes that? Not backwards.
Okay, she can do that. You can do it.